Is your LLC's banking system a disorganized mess? Do you have one main account that handles everything from incoming revenue to outgoing expenses and taxes? If you're nodding along, you're not alone, and it's probably causing a lot of headaches. That's where a service like Relay comes in. You may have heard the name, but is it really the best banking option for your LLC? Let's break down what Relay is, how it works, and if it lives up to the hype. First off, what is Relay? It's a financial technology company that offers business banking services through its partner bank, which is FDIC insured. Think of it as a modern, online-only alternative to traditional banks. This digital-first approach means no physical branches, but it also means a streamlined, user-friendly experience designed specifically for business owners. So, what makes it so appealing for an LLC? The biggest standout feature is the ability to create up to 20 individual checking accounts under a single business. This is a game changer. Instead of one cluttered account, you can create separate accounts for payroll, taxes, operating expenses, and even specific projects or clients. This aligns perfectly with popular cash flow management strategies, like Profit First, and gives you a level of clarity and control that's hard to achieve with a traditional bank. On top of that, Relay makes it easy to manage a team. You can issue up to 50 physical or virtual debit cards and set specific spending limits and permissions for each one. This means your marketing manager can have a card tied only to the marketing budget, and you will get a detailed breakdown of every single transaction. It's built for transparency and accountability. Relay also integrates seamlessly with major accounting software like QuickBooks Online and Xero. This feature saves you from tedious manual data entry and helps make bookkeeping a breeze. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Since Relay is a fintech company and not a traditional bank, there are some trade-offs. You won't find a branch to walk into, which can be a deal-breaker if you handle a lot of cash. While you can deposit cash at Allpoint Plus ATMs, it's not as simple as visiting a local branch. Some users have also reported that certain transfers, particularly ACH transfers, can be a little slower than with other banks. You'll also need to consider their pricing. They offer a free basic plan, which is packed with features, but for more advanced tools like same-day ACH transfers and automated bill approval workflows, you'll need to upgrade to one of their paid plans. So, is Relay the best banking option for your LLC? If you're a digital-first business owner who values organization, transparency, and seamless integrations, and you don't rely on cash deposits or in-person banking, then Relay is an incredibly strong contender. The ability to create multiple accounts for free and easily manage team spending could completely revolutionize how you handle your business finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.